Hey guys, today I'm going to be opening up some welcome decks that I got at a local game store. Gotta move this in a bit. Backs first. Your path begins here. As a red mage, you live for freedom. You revel in the chaos of battle, where fire is your weapon and your inspiration. Beautiful, powerful, impossible to control. Elemental fury fuels your victory. Your path begins here. As a blue mage, your mind is the most powerful weapon. You control the battlefield through illusion, always thinking 3 steps ahead of your foe. Superior knowledge determines your victory. So, these are the welcome decks that I picked up, and I'm going to open them. So, it looks like we got a manual for Magic the Gathering. Don't need that right now. So first I'm going to open up this. So it looks like we got a few reference cards on the back, and I'm just going to go through each of these cards. Okay, so first, accidentally knocked over the camera. That was weird. Okay, so first we have the Shivan Dragon. I believe that's what it's called. And we got a mountain land, basic land. We got the Kargan Dragon Rider, mountain. Shock mountain. Onaki Ogre. That's a strange name. Got another mountain. Hostile Minotaur mountain. Lightning Strike mountain. Radiating Lightning mountain. Spark-Tongue Dragon, Fiery Finish, Trumpet Blast, another one, Hostile Minotaur, Mountain, Fire Elemental, another Kargan Dragon Rider, Mountain, another Mountain, and they're all different. They all look different. Well, almost all of them. Electrify, Mountain, Volcanic Dragon, the other one of those, Onaki Ogre, Mountain, and the Goblin Motivator. So that was the first part. Here's the deck. Now, we're going to open the other random deck that came with it. So the first one is matching the color. As you can see, it's the red mage. So, got red stuff. Yeah. And then the second part, it's a 30 card deck. And it's going to be random. So, yeah. So, and also, some stores offer welcome decks for free. I actually got these for free at my game store. I'm going to open it up. Okay. So we got Gravewalker, Swamp, Skeleton Archer, Swamp, Diregraph Ghoul. Almost knocked over the camera there. Swamp, Strangling Spores, Swamp, Walking Corpse, Swamp, Skymarch Bloodletter, Lich's Caress, Swamp, Infernal Scarring, Swamp, Gravedigger, Tattered Mummy, Murder, Swamp, Bog Stomper, Swamp, String Spores, Swamp, Vampire's Sovereign, Swamp, Sovereign's Bite, Swamp, Walking Corpse, Swamp, and a Grasping Scoundrel. Looks like we got more of these cards. Pretty cool, we don't need them. So now we can go on to opening. Wait, first I'll tidy up this stuff. Next, got this one. Already read the back. So I'm going to open this up. Got another manual. Don't need that. And we've got 2 packs again. As you probably know, this is the blue one because it comes from the blue box. And this one is picked at random. I'm going to open up this box first. Riddle Master Sphinx starts, I guess that's what it starts with. Okay, so we start off with the, I'm just going to remove the back cards first. So, we start off with the Riddle Master Sphinx. Got an island, Wall of Mist, island, Tolarian Scholar, island, Divination, island, island, Snapping Drake, Waterknot, Uncomfortable Chill. Oh, that looks weird. Island, Aven Windmage, island, Sleep, Snapping, another one of those Snapping Drakes, island, Befuddle, another Waterknot, island, Frilled Sea Serpent, interesting, island, island, Air Elemental, Divination, island, another Tolarian Scholar, island, and to end this part, a Mist Cloaked Herald. Okay, so you got some pretty good stuff from that deck. Actually, it can't be good, it's a welcome deck. I'm just gonna tidy this up. So now, I'm going to open this one. We got some more of these useless cards at the back. Actually, right now I'll just clean up all the plastic that I threw out. Okay, so I threw them at the side. So we got these ones again. I'm showing you every time, even though I don't need you. You already saw it. So got I'm just gonna call it Sarah. Sarah's Guardian. Plains. Orisco Swiftclaw. Plains. Pegasus Courser. Plains. Plains. Starcrown Stag. Take Vengeance. Plains. Mighty Leap, Plains, Loxodon Linebreaker, Silverbeak Griffin, Revitalize, Plains, Knight's Pledge, another Loxodon Linebreaker. Just going to tidy up this mess here. Plains, Luminous Spawns, Plains, Dwarven Priest, Plains, Inspired Charge, Plains, Herald of Faith, Plains, Sun Sentinel, Plains, and to end this part off, a Rustwing Falcon. So, solid. So, these were our 2 welcome decks that we unboxed today. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and that's going to be it. Bye.